Good morning, guys. It's 9:40 and I won't be at work until 10:16. Hopefully I get to work at 10:16 and not at 11 because there's a construction in front of me. So there's one thing I want to talk about, and I just realized it's February 14th. So it's Valentine's Day. So there's that. That's something to talk about. But that's not what I'm going to talk about today. I'll include that in the video. So I want to talk about today is basically when you are trying to fix your life, when you are trying to get your life together, you're not going to know where to start. So therefore, you're going to be overwhelmed as to, when you try to find out all the problems that you had to fix. And I guarantee you that you're gonna start with like some random BS that you want to start and think that you're actually trying to do something, but then realize later on that you are just procrastinating. You're just trying to, do something random. You're just doing something that's not affecting, your life in a big change. Don't get me wrong, every small actions change something in your life. But what we want to do when you are trying to fix your life is basically write that thing down. Write it down with a pen and paper. Write it down. So don't do it in the morning. Don't do it when you feel something in the morning at like 3 a.m. Start rearranging your room. Don't do that. Guys, listen, I know most of my videos, most of you who are watching are men. Probably when I look at the statistic, excuse my, stutter, my language sometimes, when I look at the statistic, it's going from 25 to 35. So I need to understand, why is it 25 to 35 who are watching my videos? Why? What's something that you guys want to hear that I know of? Okay, I used to be a life coach, so I like talking about life and things like that. I like talking about situations that you can avoid or things like that you can fix, and then, so that you don't be like acting stupid again and again and then mess up your life again and again. I need to know. Write it down in the comment. But when you're trying to fix your life, let's go back to the topic. When you're trying to fix your life, you gotta need to understand that it is not gonna be easy. You have to start at something small, okay? And that small thing could be fixing your bed. Every single day, it becomes a habit. Like, I love fixing my bed. I love going back home after work, after I took a shower, and then my bed is clean, my bed is fixed, instead of like rearranging that thing again. It annoys the heck out of me when it's messy, okay? I love fixing my bed. And drinking the water before I eat helps me digest things properly and faster. And what else? Honestly, praying to God every single day is one of my things. Whenever I had a chance to, I just pray. I just talk as much as I can. That's one thing, that a habit that I'm trying to fix. Save up, not spend so much money. That's one thing. That's one thing that I'm trying to fix. Save up and not spend money. Because I love spending money on random BS. There's a reason for that. I'll tell you in the end of the year. Okay, there's a reason for why I love spending money. You guys gotta remind me that. And so, like I said, get a pen and a paper and write down the things that you need to fix. And start with something small. So you write it down, like, okay, every day this and that. And then cross everything else that's unnecessary right now and focus on that one. And divide that one into 4 category, like to make it easier for you to fix too. So for example, you're just like, oh, my bedroom is small. Oh, my bedroom is like, let's say your bedroom is small, and then you need to like put all this stuff right on. So what you can do, instead of like buying more stuff, get rid of the stuff that you need to get rid of, or sell those stuff. Okay, you don't have to be greedy. You don't have to accumulate random stuff in your room, or you don't have to hold on to the things. So get rid of the stuff that you don't need, that you don't use every single day. Take a picture of them if they have value. Post, put it on a frame or like a notebook or whatever. But get rid of them because it does not serve you value no more. Like, just get rid of them. You don't need those. You're just accumulating things and then putting space. What you need to do is have a clean room, organized room. My room is not clean at all. It has a lot of mess in it. When I say mess, it has a lot of stuff that I needed in it. I have a small room. I have a pull-up bar in my room. I have a heat press in my room that I just bought. I have a computer that I just got. And I have so much stuff in the closet and things like that. Those are necessary stuff. It's just a little bit messy. So I need to rearrange it. And then I got like bottled waters in my room, which is just like stack of them. I drink bottled waters instead of like going in the fridge and then getting water. So yeah, so just fix your room first, and then like start throwing the things that you don't need little by little. So like cross out all the things that you're not gonna do first. Don't cross out the easiest one, because what you need to do is the easiest one, and then with that easiest one thing that you wrote down, disassemble that so that you know where to start. Okay, and just little by little you'll understand that your life is changing, like your life is getting fixed. Turn it into a habit that you like throw away your trash properly, wash your hands properly, pray to God properly before you eat, drink water before you eat, and drink water all the time. Drink water before you sleep, drink water when you wake up, pray when you sleep, before you sleep, pray when you wake up, and don't talk to negative people. I'm not gonna say don't talk, I guess. Try not to entertain negative people who complains all the time and just want attention for it. You don't have to do that. So that's my advice. I know I shouldn't be giving advice as a life coach. As someone who used to be a life coach, I don't like giving advice because I get to be blamed for it. And another thing is that when you are trying to fix your life, have a clear vision. Right now, I'm just trying to save up as much money so I can move to another space and with my buddy, and after that probably study as much as I can and focus on studying so that therefore I can get another job. And hold up, there's a truck who cut me off and just start slowing down. Anyhow, do that, and I'm gonna be doing that so that you don't have to hang out with your friends all the time. Understand that your friends are gonna leave you, you're gonna leave your friends. It's a normal thing. It's a human thing to grow and separate your ways. But if you actually have a good friends, try to communicate with them as much as you can and hang out with them whenever you can. But hopefully they understand that when you are in the season of isolation is the time that you need to focus on yourself and just make sure you don't have to explain yourself all the time. I hope your friends understand that, and if they don't want to understand, just get a new friends. Your friend shouldn't be the one that's bringing you down. Your friend should be the one, like, when when something good happened to you, they celebrate. They just celebrate. It's a good thing. Good thing happens to you. So there's that. So let's stop talking about that. It's February 14. Yeah, wait. Why is my watch? My watch saying February 13, but it's February 14. It's Valentine's Day. For those happy couples, congratulations. You find someone, you find the one, I guess. Hopefully it's the one. Congratulations. Switch phones right now. I'm just kidding. Don't switch phones. And for those who are single, if you're single right now, get your money up. Okay? Focus on getting your money. Actually, I've been looking at my phone right now. This is the camera right here. So get your money up and focus on building a habit, a good habit, not a bad one. Stop masturbating. Stop wasting your money. And just stop being like such a evil person, bro. Get your money up, work out, bro. Work out. That's all you need to do. I'm here for you. You're there for you. Don't give up. You're gonna find the one sooner or later. Honestly, even if you don't find the one, here's the thing. Not everybody is meant to find the person that, for themselves. Some of you guys are meant to be single, okay? Some of you are meant to be single, and it's fine. You're gonna be happier single. And like how happier I am single. Damn, that almost made me cry. I'm not happy. I'm kidding. Just don't focus on women. Someone told me that before. A psychic woman told me that before. Don't focus on women. Focus on something else. Dude, am I embarrassed? But yeah, so focus on your life and focus on the things that you need to focus on, because life is going to be difficult as fuck. So I know I shouldn't be cursing. I apologize, Lord. I know this is not a laughing matter. I apologize. Forgive me. So for you guys, focus on life instead of focusing on things that would distract you from the things that you need to do. All right? So have a good Valentine's Day. For the couples, switch phones. So see you guys.